Crazy flooding going on over here. Crazy flooding. These cars are swimming. We are swimming right now. Not only do you have to know how to swim, but your car also has to know how to swim if you want to survive this. Look at this flood. Look at how much water these cars are going through. And me. Crazy flooding. Look at that. There's like 4 feet of water in some places, I feel like, over here. Crazy. Ridiculous. Without even trying. How do they do it? Look at this. Look at this car. Ooh! 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 Oh, I just went through a water slide. Look at that. Look at that. Crazy flooding. Now, look at me in this crazy flooding. So, the only thing I would say is rain is a good thing. Rain makes whiskey. No, rain makes corn. Corn makes whiskey. And whiskey makes her frisky. Something like that, right? Rain is a good thing. Do you agree? Look at this. Just look at it. Would you just look at it? Just look at it. Alright, just look at it. Look at this. Look at it. Would you just look at it? Just look at it once. Look at it. Look at this water. Look at this schmuck. Look at this JM Schmuckers Company. Look at this. Look at it. Just look at it. Look at it. Look at it. All I'm asking you to do is just look. Look at it. Would you just look at it? Look up front. Looky here. Oh! Oh! Oh shit! Woo! Woo! Water! Police car! Look at it. Would you just look at it? Alright, that's enough entertainment for a rainy Saturday. Let's get back to reality. Let's get back to driving. Rocky Chattery signing out. Rainy Saturday in Memphis, Tennessee.